Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. Today we are looking at text 1B of Lantern Step to Quantitative Reasoning Book 6. And the first thing we need to do is to understand the operation that goes on behind this exercise, behind these examples. Now we have three examples. We need to test the operations and see if it is true for all. Then we now use the operation to solve the exercise that we have below. Now, we have 3, we have 2, we have 2, and we have 8. 4, 3, 6, we have 27. 1, 2, 3, and we have 5. So, in my analysis, I discovered that these 3 and these 2 are connected together by multiplication. So, whatever you now have, you now treat it with addition for the one that is in the middle, and that will give us this. These 4 and these 6 are connected together with multiplication. So whatever you get from the multiplication of this, you now add this that we have in the middle out to give you this. The same thing applies to this. Let me write out the equation so that we can see it together. What I'm saying is 3 multiplied by 2, let me put it in brackets, plus 2 will give you 8. That is 3 multiplied by 2, that's 6. 6 plus 2 will give you 8. Let us test it for the second, which says 4 multiplied by 6, that gives us 24, plus 3, and that gives us 27. Let us test for the third. 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2. 1 multiplied by 3, that's 3. 3 plus 2, that's 5. So, if we are not given any of this, we can just use this equation to solve for any that is missing here. Now let us dive into the exercise and let us solve the exercises. We have 5, we have 6, and we have 7. So 5 multiplied by 7 plus 6. 5 multiplied by 7, that gives us 35. Plus 6, that gives us 41. So our answer here is B. So 41 is the missing number. Let's look at the second one. We have 8 multiplied by 10. 8 multiplied by 10 plus 12. 8 multiplied by 10, that's 80. Plus 12, that gives us 92. 92. So our answer here is C. So what is missing here is 92. Now let us look at the third one. Now, what is missing here is the one that is in the middle. Now let us follow this expression to solve for the one that is in the middle. We have 3. Remember, we are multiplying the first and the third. That is 3 multiplied by 9 plus the unknown. Let our unknown be A, equals 30. Now, 3 multiplied by 9, that gives us 27. 27 plus A equals 30. Now, let me rub this part. Now, so we cannot take this from this side to this side, such that we can have a value for our A. So A now equals 30 minus 27, which is 3. So our missing number here is 3, which is A, so, which is 3. Now let us look at the next one. We have unknown 15 and 11. So our unknown, let us call our unknown B. that is b multiplied by 11 plus 15 will give us 70. So b multiplied by 11 will give us 11b plus 15 equals 70. Now let us take this one to the other side such that 11b equals 70 minus 15. Therefore, we now have 11b equals 55. So to now find the value of b, we are going to divide both sides by 11. This divides by 11, this divides by 11. So 11 here 1, 11 here 1, 11 here 1, and 11 in 55 will give us 5. So our answer is 5. B is 5. So this is our answer. B is 5. Now let us look at the last one. We have 6 multiplied by unknown. Let our unknown be y plus 5 equals 11. So 6 multiplied by y, that will give us 6y plus 5 equals 11. So 6y equals 11 minus 5. So 6y equals 6. If you divide both sides by 6, so y equals 6 here 1, 6 here 1, 6 here 1, 6 here 1. So y equals 1. So our answer here is B. So y, the missing number here is 1. So that is the solution to test B of our series, which is a Lantern Steps to Quantitative Reasoning Book 6. Till I see you next time, please remember to subscribe to this channel, and if you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. And if you have more explanation or you have any question that you want me to solve for you, please put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, please be good.